Hello nursery. This week we're learning all about birds, so I thought we'd come to the park and have a look around and see which birds we could find and where different types of birds live. Are you ready to find out? Let's turn our listening ears on and see what we can find. Can you hear all the birds singing? It sounds like there's a lot of them, doesn't it? Birds don't live in houses like us. Some of them live in trees, like the ones in this forest. Let's see if we can find one. Oh look, there's a bird in that tree. Let's go a bit closer and count how many birds we can see. That's right, there's one bird in the tree. This bird's called a magpie. Here's a different type of bird called a seagull. Look how many there are on the grass over there. Can you guess what type of birds these are? That's right, they're ducks. Ducks don't live in trees, they live in the water. Why do you think they're putting their heads under the water? Maybe they're looking for something to eat. How many ducks can you count? 1, 2. There's 2 ducks. These birds are called geese, and they also live on the water. They're very noisy, can you hear them? Both geese and ducks make nests by the side of the water to live in. They make their nests out of sticks. How many geese can you count here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, there's 5 geese here. Now it's your turn. Can you have a look outside and see if you can find any birds? What sound do they make? And where do they live? Can you count how many you can see?